In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the freezer door on your Whirlpool refrigerator. If the door is damaged in any way, you may want to replace it for cosmetic reasons, or you may need to remove it in order to fit your fridge through a doorway. If you need to buy a new part, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. To remove the freezer door, open the freezer and locate these two bolts on the back side of the door near the upper corners. Slightly loosen them with a 1/4 inch nut driver, wrench, or socket. Once loose, you can lift the door off the hanging struts. When shopping for a part, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. To install the freezer door, align the hanging tabs near the bottom of the door to the slides and the bolts to the notches on the hanging struts. Once the door is seated properly, tighten the bolts. That's it for this video. If you need to remove the left or right door, check out these videos. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing.